Welcome to the Anna Darpan Quality Module demo. In this demonstration, we will walk through the BRL replacement process for rejected CMR stock. The process ensures that after inspection, rejected stock is properly handled, lifted, and replaced in the system. The key steps include the categorization, token generation, and lifting of the rejected stock, followed by BRL replacement and certification. As a prerequisite to this BRL process, a complete cycle of CMR receipt should have been done at the depot. The manager QC depot logs in and navigates to BRL, procurement inspection. Select the from date and to date, stack, and lot number, then enter quality analysis that will categorize the stock as rejected. The user clicks Submit to raise the BRL request. Now, the miller logs in, navigates to BRL, list of BRL requests. Selects the BRL number and BRL declared status. They refresh the list, then select the BRL number and click the Raise Complaint Actions icon. The manager depot logs in, goes to Manage Stacks for BRL. Selects the BRL number. Select an empty stack, if it already exists, otherwise, create a new empty stack. Here, this empty stack is where the miller will stack the replaced commodity. The miller logs in and navigates to BRL, miller consignment. They select the BRL number, enter crop year, marketing season, specifications, and bag type. The miller enters the number of bags and the truck number. Click Submit. The gate in charge logs in, navigates to BRL, create token. Selects the BRL number and clicks Submit to generate a token for the BRL process. The weighbridge in charge logs in, selects the token number. Selects stacks, enters the number of bags, and captures the gross weight for the truck. They then click Submit. The shed in charge logs in, selects the token number and clicks Submit to complete the dumping process for the commodity. The shed in charge logs in, selects the token number, and clicks Submit to complete the stacking of the commodity into the designated shed. The manager QC or technical assistant logs in and navigates to BRL, record quality. They select the token number, enter the details below the threshold, and submit. The weighbridge in charge logs in, then captures the empty weight of the truck after the commodity is unloaded and submits the out weight. Finally, the gate in charge logs in, selects the BRL number, verifies the data, and processes the exit gate pass for the truck with the replaced commodity by clicking on Submit. The depot manager logs in, selects the token number, and submits the form to generate the WCM slip. The depot manager selects the BRL number, checks the option for BRL stacks lifted by Miller if applicable, and submits the form. The manager division logs in and selects the depot and BRL number. Click Submit to certify the BRL stocks. The depot manager opens sheds and stacks to verify that the BRL lifted stack has been replaced and is now marked as an issue. This concludes the BRL replacement process for rejected CMR stocks. The system ensures accurate handling, lifting, replacement, and certification of the rejected stocks, providing full traceability and compliance in the process. Thank you.